Imagine this. You're connected to public Wi-Fi at a cafe. You're checking emails, maybe logging into your bank account, and without you even realizing it, someone could be watching everything. Sounds scary, right? Now here's the real question. Is your internet actually private? In today's world, your data is constantly being tracked. Your ISP knows what you browse. Websites track your behavior. Ads follow you everywhere. And hackers? They're just waiting for the right opportunity. That's where VPNs come in. But not all VPNs are created equal. Today, we're talking about one of the most popular VPN services in the world, CyberGhost. Is CyberGhost actually secure? Is it fast enough for streaming and gaming? Can it really unblock Netflix and other platforms? And most importantly, is it worth your money in 2026? In this detailed review, I'm going to break down everything you need to know, from security features and speed tests to streaming performance, pricing, pros and cons, and whether CyberGhost is the right choice for you. No paid hype, no technical confusion, just a clear, honest review. So if you're thinking about buying CyberGhost, or you just want to protect your privacy online, make sure you watch this video till the end. Let's get started.
Let me ask you something. How many times have you connected to public Wi-Fi without thinking twice? At a cafe, airport, college, or office? We all do it. But the truth is, the internet is not as private as we think. Your internet provider can track your activity. Websites collect your data, advertisers follow you everywhere, and hackers are always looking for easy targets. That's why VPN are becoming more important than ever. But the real question is, which VPN should trust? Today we are going to take a deep dive into a CyberGhost. It is really secure. It is fast enough for streaming and gaming. Can I unblock Netflix? And the most importantly, it is worth your money in 2026. In this video, I will explain everything step by step in a simple language so you can decide whether CyberGhost is right for you or not. So let's begin. What is CyberGhost? First, let's understand what CyberGhost actually is. CyberGhost is virtually private network, which means it hides your real IP addresses and encrypts your internet connection. In simple words, it creates a secure tunnel between your device and the internet. When you connect to CyberGhost, your real location gets hidden, your data becomes encrypted, and your browsing activity becomes private. CyberGhost has been in the VPN industry for many years and it serves millions of users worldwide. It offers thousands of servers in many countries, which means you can connect to the different locations easily. Installation and setup. Now let's talk about installation. The good thing about CyberGhost is that it's very beginner friendly. You just go to the official website and download the app. Which device you have? I have macOS, then I am clicking on Mac and simply click on get CyberGhost VPN. So install it, log in it and click to connect, and simply it is start working. The interface is clean and simple. Even if you have never used a VPN before, you won't feel confused. It works on Windows, Mac OS, Android, iOS, smart TVs, even routers. So compatibility is not a problem. Security and privacy features. Now this is the most important part, security. Because if a VPN is not secure, there is no point using it. CyberGhost uses strong encryption, 256-bit AES encryption. This is military-grade encryption. It also supports secure protocols like OpenVPN, IKEv2, WireGuard. WireGuard is especially known for being best and fast secure networks. Another important feature is kill switch. If your VPN's connection suddenly drops, the kill switch the kill switch will automatically block your network. Kill switch automatically block your internet so your real IP doesn't get exposed. CyberGhost also claims to have a no-logs policy. They don't track or store your browsing activity. This is very important for privacy-focused users. Overall, In the terms of security, CyberGhost does a solid job. Speed test and performance. Now let's talk about speed because security is important, but speed is also important. If a VPN make your internet too slow, it becomes frustrating. In my experience, CyberGhost performing quite well. On nearby servers, the speed drops it minimal. Web browsing feels smooth. YouTube works with buffering. Downloading speed is decent. On long distance server, yes, speed drops a little, but that's a normal with almost every VPN. If you use the WireGuard protocol, you will usually get the better speed. So for normal users, streaming browsing and lightning gaming, CyberGhost speed more than enough. Streaming performance. Now comes the big question. Can CyberGhost unblock streaming platform? Many people buy VPNs mainly for streaming. CyberGhost has dedicated server for streaming. For example, server optimized for Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Disney Plus, BBC Player. In most cases, it works smoothly. You can access different countries' libraries of Netflix videos. Quality remains HD on even 4K if your base internet speed is good. Buffering is minimal on optimized server. So if your main purpose is streaming, CyberGhost is a good option. Now let's talk about gaming. If you are a gamer, you care about low ping, stable connection, and no lag. CyberGhost is decent for casual gaming. If you connect to a nearby server, ping increase is small. However, for competitive esports level gaming, any VPN can increase latency slightly. But for more normal multiplayer games, it works fine. It can also help in avoiding DDoS attack, accessing region locked games, playing on different region servers. For the gaming, I would say it good but choose server wisely. Server networks. CyberGhost offers thousands of servers in many countries. This is important because more server equal to less crowding, equal to better speed. They also offer streaming optimized server, torrenting optimized servers, dedicated IP options. So you get flexibility based on you need. Torrenting support. If you are small who download torrents, this matters. CyberGhost support P2P traffic on specific servers. They clearly mark which servers are optimized for torrenting. If you are someone who download torrents, this some matters. CyberGhost offers P2P traffic on specific servers. They clearly mark which server are optimized for torrenting. That's a good thing because not all VPNs are transparent about this. With strong encryptions and no locks policy, it gives extra privacy while torrenting. Pricing and plans. Now let's talk about pricing. CyberGhost usually offer monthly plan, 6-month plan, or 2-year plan. The longer the plan, the cheaper it becomes per month. Compared to premium VPNs, CyberGhost is generally affordable. It is also offer 45 days money back guarantee on locked plans, and that's actually long than many competitors. So you can test it almost risk free. So guys, let's talk about pros and cons. Now let's quickly look at pros. Easy to use, strong encryption, good streaming support, large server networks, affordable long-term plans, and 45 days refund policy. Let's talk about cons. Monthly plans is expensive, slightly speed drop on the distant server. Advanced users may want more customization. Or who should buy CyberGhost? CyberGhost is perfectly for beginners who want simple interface, people who streamed a lot, users who want affordable long-term VPNs, casual gamers, and privacy-conscious users. But if you are advanced tech user looking for extreme customization or need a highest level enterprise features, then you might compare it with other premium VPNs before deciding. So finally, is CyberGhost worth it? In my opinion, yes. It's not most powerful VPN in the world. It's not the absolute fastest in every situation, but for the price, features, and ease of use, it gives excellent value. It's reliable, it's beginner friendly, and it covers almost everything most users need. If you want a simple, secure, and affordable VPNs, CyberGhost is definitely worth considering. And remember, online privacy is no longer optional, it's necessary. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more honest tech reviews. And if you have any question about CyberGhost, drop them in the comment and I will reply to you personally. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.